To create a printed log design, you'll need to access the Print Log feature. You can click on the calendar icon and select Print Playlists, or you can select Dataset, Schedule, Print Logs. In either case, the Schedule print box will appear. We'll create a new design, but note this is where you would also edit an existing design. When the designer opens, you'll see various line types in the center of the screen. Each of these has its own list of fields that are available. It's important that you click on the line you are designing first, then construct the design. You do not need to use all of the available line types, only those you need. The process for each page is the same, so we'll create a couple of lines so you can see how it works. Click on the Hour header, and the list of available fields now displays. We'll add in the description by clicking on it and dragging it into the design. By now clicking on the blue squares, you can stretch the box to any size. Notice you can also use the buttons to make the section larger. For music, we'll quickly drag artist, title, and runtime in. Now we can size and align these fields. We can also do things like making the typeface larger or smaller, or perhaps bold. Color options are also available in the Properties section as well. When you're ready to see a preview, click on Print. After making a note of any changes you'd like to make, click on Exit, and then you'll return to the design. You can continue looking at previews and making changes as often as you'd like. When you're satisfied, be sure to click on the Save icon and name the design.